Handwritten fonts. How to create. Step 1. Click on the T icon. Click on the New Writing. Click on the New Font button. Enter font name. Click on the OK button. QR code. Default characters to be entered. You can enter these default characters or delete these characters. Click on Delete button. Other characters can also be added. Step 2. Scan the QR code with your mobile phone. Click on Open link. Now you can enter the font. If you are not satisfied with the writing, press Undo and write it again. If satisfied, press Next. Use a stylus pen's better. All written, click the Finish button. Now, your font has been successfully created. When using, choose your font first. Then enter the characters. Click on Generate button. This is the font that was just created. If you want to enter more characters, click on the T icon, then click on New Writing button. Select font name. Click on Add Writing button. Scan the QR code or press the refresh button on your phone. Question 1. How to deal with missing characters? For example, enter some words. Click on Generate button. Appears a red prompt message and dialog box. Click on Add Writing button. Scan the QR code and enter characters on your phone. Same as the previous steps. Click on Finish button. Click on Generate button. Question 2. How to modify fonts? For example, I don't like the 3 letters YUR. I want to modify. Firstly, click on the T icon. Click on the New Writing button. Select the font name. Then click on the Add Writing button. Enter the YUR letters. The next steps are the same as before. Scan the QR code, mobile input. That's all. Thank you.